Question 41, Electronics and Communication Engineering, GATE 2019. The RC circuit shown below has a variable resistance R of t given by the following expression. R of t is R0 into 1 minus t by t for 0 till t, where R0 is given as 1 ohm, C is 1 farad. We are also given that T is 3 R0 C and the source voltage Vs is 1 volt. If the current at t equal to 0 is 1 ampere, then the current I of t at t equals t by 2 is dash. And from the diagram we can infer that the switch is closed at time t equal to 0 and it is active since that. We need to know the basic concepts of RC transient circuits in order to solve this problem. So for that, please refer the NPTEL lecture Module 1 Lecture 17 RC First Order Circuit Complete Response with Step Inputs Transient and Natural by Dr. Nagendra Krishnapura, IIT Madras. We need to know the basic formula for Kirchhoff's voltage law and how to solve a differential equation. By KVL in the given loop, it can be said as Vs is equal to IR1 plus IR2. We need to know this basic concept in order to solve this problem. And also, after we derive the equation form of the given RC circuit, we also need to know the basic concept of differential equations in order to solve the equation and find out the response I of t. Let us first jot down the given details before solving this problem. It is given that R0 is equal to 1 ohm and C is 1 farad. It is given that R is time dependent, which is R0 into 1 minus t divided by t. The value of capital T is given to us, which is 3 times R0 into C. Next, what is given to us? The supply voltage Vs is equal to 1 volt. What we are asked to find? We are asked to find I of t at a time t equals capital T divided by 2. These are the given data of this problem. We have to find I of t at a time t equals t by 2. So, t by 2 means 3 R0 C divided by 2. T by 2 is 3 into R0 into C divided by 2, which is 3 into 1 divided by 2, because R0 is 1 ohm and C is 1 farad. So, this is 1.5. So, what is asked? We are asked to find the current I of t at t equals 1.5 second. This is what is exactly asked. The value of the resistance R is time dependent. The next thing that we can infer is R of t is R0 is given as 1 ohm. So, it is 1 into 1 minus t divided by t. We have found out the value of t here. T is 3 into R0 into C, which is 3. This is 1 minus t divided by 3. So, the value of R of t is given by 1 minus t by 3. We will make a note of these data first, because when we are solving the equation of this series RC circuit, we might need these inferred values. By Kirchhoff's voltage law, Vs equals I of t into R of t plus 1 by C into the integral I of t dt. This is the value of the voltage Vs. We are given that Vs is 1 ohm. So, therefore, we can replace it right away. Vs is 1 volt. So, 1 is equal to I of t into R of t plus 1 by C into integral I dt. We first need to find out the solution of I of t in order to find out I of t at 1.5 second. So, for this we need to solve this differential equation. We can solve this by either solving it in differential equation approach or by Laplace transform approach. I am going to use differential equation approach here. By differentiating in both sides, we will be getting 0 into I of t times dr by dt plus r of t into di by dt. Since both of them are time dependent and we are differentiating with respect to time, we need to differentiate both the terms separately by differentiation by parts. The differential of this term is I of t into the differential of r plus r of t into the differential of I plus 1 by c into I of t. We have interpreted that r of t is 1 minus t by 3. So, the differential of this term is minus 1 by 3. We can substitute it right away here. So, you will be getting 0 equals I of t divided by minus 3 plus r of t is 1 minus t by 3 r of t into the differential of I of t. I am mentioning this to be I dash of t. I dash of t plus I of t divided by c. C is given as 1 farad. So, this term will become I of t divided by 1 I of t. So, this equals I of t minus I of t by 3 will be 2 by 3 I of t plus 1 minus t by 3 into I dash of t. So, this implies that 2 by 3 into I of t will become minus of 1 minus t by 3 into di by dt, which is 2 by 3 into I of t will become Let's now separate the variables. We'll have time on the left side and the term I or the current on the right side. So, this is 2 by 3 into minus 3 by t minus 3 dt is equal to di by I. And cancelling, we can get 2 divided by 3 minus t dt is di by I. In order to find out the value of I, we can integrate both sides. So, this implies that 2 into the natural log of 3 minus t into minus 1 is equal to the natural log of I plus the integration constant k. Instead of just putting this as k, we can also make this as log of k, because log of a constant is anyways a constant. We are doing this because when we are trying to remove log, we will be taking e power on both sides. So, in that case, this case will become helpful to us. So, log of I plus log of k can be called as log of k times I of t or I. So, in order to remove this log term, we can take e power x on both sides. We will be getting 3 minus t whole square as I of t multiplied by k. At time t equals 0, it is given that the current I is 1 ampere. It is given that the current at time t equal to 0 is 1 ampere. So, we are going to make use of this initial condition in order to find out k. So, we will substitute it here and we will be getting 3 square is k. This implies that k equals 9. Let us substitute the value of k in this solution. k is equal to 9 implies 3 minus t whole square is I of t multiplied by 9, which implies I of t is equal to 3 minus t whole square divided by 9. So this is the value of the current I of t for the given circuit. We are asked to find out this current at a time of 1.5 seconds. At time t is equal to 1.5, I of t will be 3 minus 1.5 whole square divided by 9, which is 0.25 ampere. Let us do a quick recap of this problem. These are the given data to us. The resistance R is time dependent and the value of R0 is given as 1 ohm, C is given as 1 farad and the value of capital T is 3 times R0 C. We are asked to find out the current I of t at time t equal to t by 2. We infer that t by 2 is equal to 3 R0 C divided by 2, which is 1.5 seconds, and then the value of R of t is 1 into 1 minus t by t, which is 1 minus t divided by 3. So these both are the inferred data for us. We used KVL and then jotted down the equation of the RC series circuit. By differentiating on both sides and by integrating back, we found out the value of the response I of t. We used variable separable method for this. You can also use Laplace transform in order to find out the current I of t. In both cases, the answer will be same. After finding the response of the current I of t, at t equal to 1.5 seconds, we found out this value to be 0.25 ampere. If the current at t equal to 0 is given as 1 ampere, then I of t at t equal to t by 2 is 0.25 ampere. Thank you.